Fitness center activities for weight loss and toning up workout timetable come to a decision what number of days that you can get to the gymnasium each and every week. Ideally you need no less than 3 days and a maximum of 6. Dedicate 3 weekly periods to weight coaching. Make these total physique workouts, where you work each essential muscle workforce in a single session. This burns more calories and fat than coaching just 1 or 2 muscle tissue each exercise, writes individual coach Nate Inexperienced in his publication Developed for Exhibit. Go away at the least someday between each and every weights workout. For your cardio, the American Institution of Physical Games Treatment recommends 3 20 to 60-minute periods of lively activity each week. If that you may get to the gymnasium 6 times per week, participate in weights and cardio on special days. If not, then do each in every exercise. Excellent exercises for toning up. The pleasant approach for weight training is to pick multi-joint workout routines that hit plenty of special muscle groups. Moves similar to squats, lunges, deadlifts, and push-ups and rows should make up the vast majority of your software. Perform 2 minimize physique and 3 or 4 higher physique workout routines each and every session, each and every for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 repetitions. This goes in opposition to the usual suggestion of using gentle weights for greater reps for toning. However, lifting heavier weights supplies a bigger anabolic response, which absolutely results in turbo fats burning. Listed below are 2 patterned full-body workouts for losing weight and toning that you may take with you to the gymnasium. Cardio for weight reduction. For weight reduction and toning cardio, you can't beat interval coaching. Growing your cardio depth by way of doing intervals no longer handiest saves you time, but additionally means you hold burning fat long after you conclude your session. Interval training entails alternating between all-out bursts of maximum effort and reasonably longer, slightly less difficult bouts of cardio. The fantastic thing about interval training is that you should use any health club cardio machine, or try something a bit of distinctive corresponding to sprinting outside. Comprise these 2 weight loss cardio workout routines into your weekly routine. Weight reduction plan. For weight loss, eating regimen is vital too. You are not going to drop pounds and tone up except you also reduce your food consumption. Eliminate the junk food from your weight reduction plan. Focus on entire foods that preserve you feeling full, including kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and different greens high in fiber, tasty, low sugar and high fiber fruits like raspberries, blackberries and blueberries, lean meats like bird breast and fish like tilapia with low fat content material, milk and cheese with powerful flavor like parmesan and sharp cheddar, so that you simply don't want as a lot entire grain and sprouted wheat bread with excessive fiber, nutrition and mineral content material. Purpose to lose 1 to 2 kilos per week. That suggests you'll have got to reduce 500 calories to lose 1 pound of fat. Reducing your everyday calorie consumption via 500 will yield a 1 pound loss each week. Adding recreation must take you toward the 2 pounds per week mark. In case you hit a weight loss plateau, add 10 to 40 minutes of moderate intensity cardio after each and every interval workout.